This is my short video showing fan operation for the Leoni 48-inch ceiling fan for Home Depot. This section shows the fan in operation at high speed after balancing it. You can see how steady it is. It's rock solid, but it did take 2 weights on one of the blades in order to get this accomplished. So you had to go through it twice. This section shows that the fan in operation after being mounted on my porch. I'm just going through the various speeds.
Everything's off.
I'm using the remote control that comes with the fan. There is no manual control other than that.
Turn on the light.
The fixture has 2 LED lights.
And turn on the fan on low speed.
Now I know this is an indoor fan and it's not supposed to be mounted outdoors. This is a screened-in porch. It's just off of my living room. So I'm going to try it out here anyway, see how it works, because I really like it out here. You're going to hear some noises in the background. There's some rain dripping off the roof, and also there's some vehicles going by once in a while.
Now we're going to medium speed. Now we're going to use high speed. Turn the light off. Medium speed. Low speed. Off.
That's about all I have for now. Read my written review on HomeDepot.com for this product.